Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just gone over to Vechain once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big CoinsKid crew. So I think at the moment, with confluence of the correction that's going on, I think Vechain is putting in the perfect ABC zigzag correction at the moment. This is something I did talk about in a previous video, and I've been anticipating after a big 5-wave move up. A big correction coming back, looking to hold support for the next leg up here for Vechain. We've gone through this in the past, and I think it's playing out like an absolute boss. So I've created an indicator here, the momentum indicator for the CoinsKid crew. So come to CoinsKid.com, search for Vechain, and you can see on the 4 hour we've got sell on the momentum and daily the sell on the momentum as well. So I'm looking for a lovely little reversal signature on Vechain. At that point, like I said to you in a recent tweet, I'm potentially going to go all in on this coin because I think this is a massive vertical in this particular chart for this particular coin because it's doing what Bitcoin's already done and it's looking to backtest the breakout and then go. And I think there's a massive trade on this particular chart. Okay, obviously I could be wrong, and if I am wrong, I'll relay that data to you, but so far so good. It is playing out like an absolute boss. So I'm looking for the 4 hour buy momentum to come back into the chart with a bullish divergence on the 4 hourly time frame as well. So I'll show you what I'm looking for in the Vechain chart right now. Okay, but taking a look at Vechain on daily time frame, so far so good. Like I said to you, you see 5 waves up, increase the probability of a drawdown. This is why I took some profit on this trend line, and equally after the 5 waves up, I've swung some more Vechain. What I'm looking for is an optimal entry point. I think I did give you in a previous video. After these 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at that point you've got to think about your position. If you're looking for a swing opportunity, it's an ideal swing opportunity. I think here as well, what we did do off this move here, and we traded this, didn't we, like a boss, impulsive, corrective, and we've got a big impulsive move right here, and was looking for the 5 waves within this last leg here, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. We've got that. Okay, and at that point, it said to you, increased probability of a correction coming back, some kind of zigzag, and that's exactly what we're getting just there. So I think we're putting a little bit of a bull trap there, B-wave bull trap. We've seen that across the markets, not just Vechain. I've seen it in Chainlink, and I've seen it in XRP as well. So we've got a little 3-wave move, coming back up, and right now we're in some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction, a C-wave coming back down. So I'm looking for primarily is on the 4 hourly time frame, looking for a bullish divergence. I'll relay that message to you. Equally, the buy momentum coming back in on the 4 hour on CoinsKid.com right there as well. And these are my targets right now. So like I did say to you in a recent video, you got this resistance test here, you made a high low, and boom, you broke out. So technically you ran into a kilo resistance and you're having some kind of zigzag correction coming back after come up in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC zigzags coming back. Now zigzags can get really, really nasty, especially C wave. So it's a primary target right now. Why? Because what we've got is this level of resistance. We're not necessarily back tested its support. So I did tell you in a recent update that if we start to come back, this will be a sweet spot for me, and right now it looks poised to get there. Okay, so again, I wish everyone knows look, but that right there, 02981776, I think could be a little sweet spot. We do fall below that, then obviously it's squeaky bum time, that this is just merely a bull trap. But like I've always said to you, if I see 5 waves up, I have to respect it, and at the moment this could be a lovely impulsive move coming up like this, and right now you're just going for a simple zigzag, wave 2 zigzag before an explosive 3rd wave here for Vechain. This is why at this point, if we come back down and we start to create reversal signatures down there, I'm looking to load up a massive bag of Vechain. I'll relay that message to you. So that's my buyback zone at the moment. Will it come that deep? I honestly don't know, but I'm looking for a reversal signature to increase the probability that we have bottomed in the C wave basically. So if we take a look at the weekly time frame for Vechain, we have done something here on the weekly. Look at that, the back test of resistance on the weekly. So again, we're looking like we're coming back down to that neckline. Absolutely amazing. Bitcoin did it in January of last year, back tested that trend line before, major vertical to the upside, taking out the high. So this is what I'm anticipating. Vechain and a lot of these altcoins are just playing catch up to Bitcoin. Please realize that. Okay, so if Bitcoin's bullish, then your altcoin's bullish, and I relayed that message to you before. Falling back into this neckline, sweeping this low. Obviously, this is some kind of bull trap basically, and we'll address that situation in time. But at the minute, I just have to respect the data, and the data is telling us that macro we're bullish, and there's one key indicator here. The CoinsKid ribbon, we take a look on the weekly time frame, we've created a green dot. Now, like I said to you, typically when we create these red dots or green dots, we fall back into the ribbon to confirm and then bolt. So there's a little bit of a crossroads just there, the top of the ribbon. After a green dot, a macro buy signal, look at that. We've sort of created this ABC coming back. A little bit of crossroads on the ribbon and this neckline, absolutely beautiful little sweet spot, 02981776. If we get that support and don't fall on the ribbon and hold it as resistance, this could be a lovely little sweet spot for the big vertical. Now, if you take a look at this scenario, we broke down, created a red dot, Once we created the red dot, what happened? We rallied into the resistance of the ribbon, and then we exploded. Well, bolted, not necessarily exploded in the direction we wanted, but we bolted to the downside. A massive sell signal and a massive buy signal. So this is all I'm doing. I'm just relaying these macro signals to you. So typically, you know, you break down, you backtest the resistance of the ribbon, see you later. You break out, you backtest the resistance of the ribbon, see you later. So we could be gearing up for a major vertical in this chart. It's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's simple technical analysis. Impulsive, corrective, vertical, wave 3. This is typically what we see in third waves, a massive vertical. So this is why, you know, I remain bullish on VEHCAIN until we break down below key levels of support and create the, you know, the bearish signals on the macro. We don't see it yet. We're macro bullish. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on VEHCAIN. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.